Welcome to our car wash. Please select to wash.
Don't judge me yet. What's up everyone, this is YouTube Ken. I'm back with another video, probably an update video. Do you remember when I did the spoiler installation video? I bought the spoiler from RPM Tesla, very good spoiler, but something happened to it. If you don't remember that video, I'll show you a little bit of it right now. It's just a little snippet of that video. I will leave that in the description below if you want to check out that video, or I will put that video right here in the cards for you if you want to check that video out. So the purpose of this video is not to get mad at myself because I used a automatic car wash. I had a lot of bugs on the car trying to get that safety score and all of that. Driving, I ran it through a car wash that was touchless, that I thought. Well, they installed brushes. I had already paid for the car wash and everything like that. I had to take the chance. I'd already spent the money, right? Well, you're thinking that it probably scratched my car up. Nah, everything was cool with the car. But remember what I told you earlier, the spoiler. Just look at it.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select to wash by touching the corresponding button on the screen, or touch the enter code button to enter your code. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
A few moments later.
So yeah, it pretty much popped the spoiler off. This video is not to down RPM Tesla or anything like that. I'm sure I installed it correctly. I had it on there probably since April, and it's October, 6 months. It lasted through a crazy monsoon season as well, so that brush knocked it off. So I did contact RPM Tesla, and they was very nice and apologized, told me not to use the car wash. I don't use car washes, okay? I usually do it myself because I have ceramic coating on the car. So yeah, the update for that, I emailed them back and forth. I was gonna send them a video. They're sending me the tape. I kinda like it without the spoiler, to tell you the truth. But yeah, it just came right off. The spoiler wasn't hurt, so I can put it back on anytime I want to. So yeah, that was the purpose of this video. I will never use automatic car washes again, even without a spoiler. Like this video, please hit that subscribe button if you want to see further content. and also hit that notification bell so you are notified of when I post videos. Thank you all so much for watching this video. This is YouTube Ken. I'll see you in the next video.